Hi everybody, welcome back to Inoutvlog. Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to this vlog. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please go do that so that you don't miss out any of our vlogs. Let's get started. Here is a very quick recap of what we did in our trip from 2 months ago. These glimpses are some beautiful, mesmerizing memories that would stay in your head forever. Hope you guys will enjoy it because these are all the beautiful memories that I would really like to share with you guys. There's an active volcano! Can you believe that New Zealand has lots of active volcanoes? Look at this beautiful mountain up ahead. It has snow on top and beautiful view beside it. Welcome to Taupo. This is a very beautiful glimpse of Taupo where it was morning and we had fresh breeze. We finally ended our journey with this place called Craters of Moon. It's very beautiful and has boiling craters. Hope you liked our vlog. Bye!